In this video, I will show you how you can make different kind of symbols in MS Word by using a simple short key. So first we have to press Alt, press 1, Alt press 2, Alt press 3, 4, Alt press 4, Alt press 5, Alt press 6, Alt 7, Alt 8, Alt 9, Alt 10, Alt 11, Alt 12, Alt 13, Alt 14, Alt 15, Alt 16, Alt 17, Alt 18, sorry, Alt 18, Alt 19, Alt 20. So you can see you can make different symbols by using this one. You have to press Alt and numeric value. In this way you can make different kind of symbols in the MS Word. Thank you for watching the video.